Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. So today we're going to be talking about how to make money on crypto and how to earn your first $250,000 with crypto within 1 year after investing only 10k. So guys, stay with me, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Once again, thank you guys for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment this video. I'll appreciate your support so much. And let's come back to our topic. A lot of beginners or even professionals in crypto looking for passive incomes just because this is the easiest and best way to earn your money with crypto. So guys, our mission is to earn $250,000 with the budget of 10k, and it's possible. So there's many ways how to make 10k from zero in crypto, and probably this one is the easiest way. Thanks to high volatility, you can make this 10k really quickly.
Thank you, Jesus!
And let's pretend that you don't have this 10k. If you're risky and you want quick results, you probably should invest in coins or tokens with low market capitalization, or in ICO or in IDO best. As more money you invest, as faster you come closer to 10k. For example, invest in only 5k in PANCAKESWAP, in AutoCake, putting all this money into staking with growth of Cake token reaching all-time high, plus with returns of annual percentage yield from AutoCake, you can get extra 5k just within a few months.
Hey, that's pretty good.
And if you're really careful with your investment and you invest small amount of money like hundreds of dollars or $1,000, of course you will reach this 10k, but slower than if you would do it with 5k.
Faster, faster!
By the way, watch my YouTube videos about PancakeSwap or 11 passive incomes, so from there you will understand how to make this money quickly. And just quick reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and I'm just girl with the camera, and I'm sharing my crypto journey here with you. So don't take it as financial advice, take it as my experience and opinion. So guys, there is many ways to make this 10k, and let's pretend you have it by now. The plan is easy. When the bear market comes, buy solid altcoins for minus 90% of their tops. Then wait for the next bull market and then sell them after 20x or 30x, and now you have 250k. Then stake it into DeFi and you'll be doing 3k per month. All you need is patience, and anyway, you can catch at least 2 bear market swings during the year and at least 2 bull market time. So don't be in rush wasting your money just because you have it, and be patient and wait for the bear market. Believe me, bear market will come, and there is no point investing this 10k on the all-time highs, so you will lose part of your money. If you will keep this money until the bear market, and this will be the best and smartest move you can do. In order to wait next bull market, maybe you need to wait few months, or maybe you need to wait even 1 year. Anyway, remember being patient, because as soon as you will get your 30, 40, even 50x, you will be extremely happy seeing that you made 250k from 10k or even from zero, and the bear market here is your best friend. Believe me, if you would invest this 10k during normal time, you would need extra 1 year to wait to become rich. So guys, about making stable passive income, as I said, just put it into staking on the DeFi platform you're sure about, staking coins you're sure about. So that's how you will earn 3k per month passively. This plan is so corny maybe and simple on the one hand and so genius on the other. So that was my plan, and I just shared it with you here on my YouTube channel, hoping that this information will be helpful for somebody. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this strategy making 250k was informative for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.